Welcome back to our AI from Scratch series. In this video, we will talk about neural networks, the building blocks of modern artificial intelligence. Neural networks are computational models inspired by the structure and functioning of the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes called neurons, which process and transmit information. A neural network typically consists of three types of layers: the input layer, where data is fed into the network; one or more hidden layers, where the actual computation occurs; and the output layer, which produces the final result. Each neuron in a neural network receives inputs, multiplies them by corresponding weights, sums them up, and then applies an activation function to produce the output. This output is then passed on to the next layer of neurons. Activation functions introduce nonlinearity into the network, enabling it to learn complex patterns and relationships in the data. Now, let's see how we can implement a simple neural network using Python and the TensorFlow library. In this code snippet, we define a sequential model with two hidden layers, each consisting of 64 neurons with ReLU activation functions. The output layer has 10 neurons with a softmax activation function suitable for classification tasks. And there you have it, a brief introduction to neural networks. In the next video, we will delve deeper into training neural networks and optimizing their performance. Stay tuned and happy coding. Bye bye.